This guide will help you understand how to manage high ping settings on your Xbox Series X for a better gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. You can do this by running a speed test on your console or another device. Step 2. Connect via Ethernet. For more stable connection, connect your Xbox Series X directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This reduces latency compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Go to the Settings menu on your Xbox Series X, navigate to Network Settings and select Advanced Settings. Here, you can view your current IP settings and DNS settings. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4, Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can sometimes improve connection speed and reduce ping. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Within the game settings, look for network options. Some games allow you to adjust settings that can help manage ping, such as selecting servers closer to your location. By following these steps, you can better manage high ping issues on your Xbox Series X, leading to a smoother gaming experience.